Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. I'm here at the MarineMax Yacht Expo in Baltimore. It's an annual event for us, a summer event, and I'm really excited to show you the Azimut 50 Fly, a boat we're really excited about. Here we're on the swim platform. Let's make our way inside the cockpit area. One thing you'll notice immediately is you have a hardtop that extends all the way aft, gives you an ample amount of sun coverage on this cockpit. You've got C-shaped seating here in the cockpit with backrests that go all the way up to your mid portion of your back, so you have plenty of support. Nice high gloss table here. Tremendous amount of lounge space on a 50-foot boat. Lots of areas for refrigeration. We've got a fridge here. Another cool box here. There's 5 areas for refrigeration on this boat. Making our way inside the Salon, incredibly comfortable area. We've got a powered television screen that's hidden away here and recesses up really nicely. This table is also powered to recess flush, and this really comfortable C-shaped seating area settee has a nice pull-out sofa to it. Really substantial and really comfortable. Let's continue forward. Moving forward to the galley. Again, more refrigeration. You've got a 3-in-1 convection oven, microwave, and grill. Very versatile. 4-burner cooktop stove. Over to the helm. Incredibly comfortable seating from Azimut. Impeccable design. You can feel it. You can see it for yourself. No stone left unturned. Leather wrapped, nice accents. Really high-end, thick material, stainless steel material. The woodwork, the flooring, everything about the boat makes sense. One thing we really like about this design is the functionality. So again, another refrigeration area. Got a washer-dryer combo. Ample amounts of storage. Nice woodwork, really easy to open and close the doors. Moving forward to the VIP stateroom. Easy walk around to access the bed from multiple sides. Got lots of privacy. High-end woodwork from Azimut. Cedar lined closets with mirrors on the inside of the doors. Really easy to open and close the doors. Television screen with entertainment access. You've got bunk beds in your guest stateroom with TVs for both bunks. Nice lighting, comfortable bed. Here's access to the day head. You've got 2 doors to access the head. It has a stand-up shower. Really nice sink. Everything's high-end design from Azimut, the Italian design. Let's go to the master stateroom. This is a full beam master. Check out the amount of storage. You got enough room for a safe. There's almost a full-length mirror on the door. Tremendous amount of storage. Lots of storage below for your entertainment systems. Along both sides of the boat. All nice storage. Very nice lighting. Lots of natural lighting. Pretty good amount of headroom as well. Let's have a look at the master head as well. Again, very high-end, luxurious design. Not only something you can feel, but something you can see. Let's make our way up to the Flybridge. This is an area that really sets this boat apart. So again, we're on a 50-foot boat, 50-foot Flybridge boat from Azimut. Look at the amount of space we have here on the Flybridge. It's phenomenal. Tremendous amount of lounging space, tons of accommodations for guests. You got a nice Kenyan grill. More refrigeration and storage with the sink. You can see the quality and the finish of the woodwork, the stainless steel. Check out this seating. Tons of back support. This feels like you're in a cabana. Just incredible for a 50-foot Flybridge. Tons of space. Again, the Flybridge goes all the way over the aft seating area. That is a walkthrough of our Azimut 50 Fly. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston at Yacht Expo in Baltimore. We'd love to see you. We'd be happy to walk you through this boat, and we'll see you soon.